up guys, welcome back to Ron's Rise, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today I have the keys to a 2021 Maserati Ghibli Gransport S. So yes, the rear wheel drive variant of Maserati's high twin turbo V6 pumping out 424 horsepower with a 0 to 60 in 4.7 and a top speed of 177 miles per hour. So it's been a while since I've done just like a little POV driving video with, POV driving and exhaust notes. So I just wanted to take a spin in probably the most expensive Ghibli that is here on the lot today at $97,000. So I'm just doing a quick spin around because it's not about reviewing this car. I think I've done a review on this car a little while back. Really what I want to do is take it out for a drive and just kind of do like a no speaking kind of just driving experience drive, give you guys some good blips, give you guys some good accelerations, and let you see and feel what this is all about from a first person point of view. So with that said, this is the Ghibli Gransport S, all right? This is going to take us for a nice wild ride, all right? And then we'll see if you guys like it enough to come to Maserati Alfa Romeo Daytona Beach and grab it. Alright guys, so per usual, we will put this in sport manual mode first by pressing the sport button right there. Alright, and then foot on the brake, back to drive, over to manual. That's when we're going to be using these column mounted paddle shifters, and we're going to bang through the gears just a little bit to give you the driving experience that you would get behind the wheel of one of these Maserati Ghiblis, which I can say for myself after owning two of them is very thrilling and fun. You're going to have a heavy foot with these things because of the sound alone. Let's go for it. Just like that, banging through to fourth gear is probably the funnest time you'll have in these cars. It's just so aggressive, the noise, the feel, even the downshifts. And you're not gonna be able to hear it as well from the inside because dual pane windows, but you guys are gonna hear that from the outside. Again, just an amazing driving experience because of all of the noise, the feels, the shakes. It doesn't do a smooth glide for you. When it bangs through these gears, it makes some noise. You guys are gonna love it. Let's try it again. Pull for you guys. Just wanted you to see how everything looks from inside of the cabin, and then obviously get the noise that you get with the exhaust on the outside. We'll roll down the window on this one. Like again, the dual pane glass keeps you from hearing it how you should, but you do this. You guys probably got a lot of wind noise. Yeah, a lot of wind noise there, so really best experienced with the windows down, but it sounds good, guys. P0 tires, nice and sticky, keep you to the road. Got all your driver assistance that you need in case you get a little swirly. Rear wheel drive. You can spin these tires very, very easily, but again, it's just one that gives you some accelerations, some exhaust notes, cold start, revs, and just again appreciate these engines while we're here, because Maserati's full 100% Trident engine may perform a little differently. So right now we're taking the Ferrari derived engines and just having a little bit more fun with them before they go. All right guys, so what did you think about the drive? What did you think about the just overall driving experience from that twin turbo V6 derived from Ferrari? Yes, that's one of those engines that we're going to take advantage of while we still have it, because the next iteration of the Ghibli will not have the Ferrari derived engine, but Maserati's full control and their new engine for the Maserati Ghiblis. Now with that said, I wanted to take you for a quick drive, experience that exhaust note like you've heard it before, but you know, just another video of good Maserati music. So with that said, if I did do a good job with that, let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can all enjoy the beautiful Maserati music coming from this twin turbo V6. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, you can always check the links right down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, for my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate a couple extra dollars or two to the channel. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much, guys. Now you can also check out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want to get t-shirts, you want to get joggers, tote bags, leggings, fanny packs, everything Ron's Rides. And make sure you guys also check out my TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, see everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.